Tired of struggling to connect your aftermarket stereo to your factory amplified system? This Scosche wiring harness makes the process seamless, eliminating the need to cut any wires or compromise your vehicle's factory setup. Designed specifically for factory amplified systems, it ensures a clean, direct connection every time. What sets this harness apart is its factory-quality wires and connectors, paired with standard color coding for an installation that's straightforward and hassle-free. No guesswork, no confusion, just plug and play. It's the kind of reliability you want when upgrading your car's sound system without risking damage or compatibility issues. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio installation accessories. Their commitment to quality means every product meets strict standards, so you know you're getting something built to last. When you choose this harness, you're tapping into decades of expertise and innovation in vehicle wiring solutions. One of the biggest perks? Lifetime tech support. If you ever have questions or need guidance during installation, Scosche's knowledgeable team is just a call or message away. This kind of ongoing support isn't common, and it's a testament to how much they stand behind their products. Plus, every Scosche 12 volts installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty. That means your investment is protected long-term, giving you peace of mind along with excellent performance. It's a safety net that shows confidence in quality and durability. Customers across the U.S. rave about how well this product works. One user shared that after installing the harness, their Outlander's stereo finally had sound, exactly as promised. Another praised the fast shipping and the fact that the product worked perfectly right out of the box, something they couldn't find in local stores. If you're upgrading your car stereo and want a reliable, easy-to-install solution that won't compromise your factory system, this Scosche wiring harness is worth a look. It's designed to save time, avoid headaches, and deliver clear, powerful sound through your existing amplifier. Ready to upgrade your ride's audio without the guesswork? Try this Scosche harness when you're ready and experience a smooth installation backed by decades of trusted quality and support.